While the majority of snails live in water, many snails have adapted to land. So, for example, New York State has about 100 species of snail which have adapted to land, including one which is critically endangered and may be the rarest snail in the world. This is the Chittenango ovate amber snail, which only lives in Chittenango State Park in Madison County, New York, and whose population was only known to be about 25 in 1990. This is a more common amber snail, and it is an exotic species, so it was introduced from Europe. It is the European amber snail. It measures under 2 centimeters in length, and it prefers wet environments like marshes. So although it is a land snail and can live feeding on land plants where it scrapes bacteria and fungi with its radula, it needs moist environments, so it is still partially dependent upon water. Amber snails tend to have a large aperture through which the foot emerges and a short whorl, and they are hermaphroditic. They are capable of having sex with another individual, but also of fertilizing themselves. So they begin life as males, they end life as females, but they pass through an adolescent phase in which they can fertilize themselves. They are an exotic species, which isn't overly problematic. But, for example, these snails can be infected by a trematode flatworm parasite, which then they can pass along to birds which eat them. So there are a number of hidden dangers in exotic species becoming established in a new area.